Today we are going to make a masala curry with cauliflower.
We can serve this with any type of rice and roti. Take some water and boil it. While boiling, you have to add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Add cauliflower. Boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the water. Keep aside for later use. Take a grinder. Add 10 to 12 shallot. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds. Half teaspoon salt. 1 small piece ginger. 4 to 5 curry leaves. Grind it into a paste. Take cauliflower in a bowl. Add previously grinded paste. Mix it well. Keep it for 15 to 30 minutes. Take a pan. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add the marinated cauliflower. Fry on medium flame for 2-3 minutes. Flip when required. Remove it into a bowl for later use. Take a pan. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add chopped onion. 2 green chilies. Add 4 to 5 curry leaves. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. And mix it well. Cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes till the onion turns brown. Add tomato. Saute well. Now add 150 ml of water. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 2-3 minutes. Add previously marinated cauliflower. Mix well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Cook for 1 minute. Now simple cauliflower masala gravy is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.